Hey guys, today we're going to do part 14, así karna, factorizing quadratics, example of x plus a times x plus b. Here's our beautiful equation, and let's get right into it. Step 1 is map to the right formula. So, x squared and x squared is great. 2xy and minus 3x is fine, but minus 10 is not a perfect square, so we can't do this formula. On to the second one. We have the formula needs us to have two terms, but we only have 3 on the top, so we can't do this one. So we're going to use the third formula. Step 2 is mapping the equation. We map the equation by writing the equation we're currently doing over the formula we've just selected. So here's our equation, and here's the formula. We can see that minus 3 is right above a plus b, so a plus b is equal to minus 3. And minus 10 is right above ab, so ab is equal to minus 10. Let's factorize minus 10. Minus 10 can be minus 5 times 2. Do minus 5 and 2 make minus 3? Well, yeah, of course they do. And we'll look at the sign for minus 3. So we're good. So the numbers are minus 5 and positive 2. Step 4 is substitute the formula. One more thing, minus 5 is A and 2 is B. So instead of A and B in our formula, we'll have minus 5 and plus 2. So our answer would be x minus 5 times x plus 2. When we write this, we can also make this, because it's equal to 0 at the end here, we can also make this into x minus 5 equal to 0 and x plus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 2. Well, x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2. But you guys might be wondering, hey Aadi, why do we have two x's? Well, if you have two different x's when you finish your step 4, they're probably going to ask you the least x or the smallest x, and the greatest x. The smallest x would be minus 2, because minus 2 is smaller than 5. And greatest x would be 5. Thank you for watching. This is Aadi from Aadi Academy. I hope you have a great rest of your day.